Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
So finally, let's have a look on the Bitcoin market. In some way, the Bitcoin is very similar to the gold. As I already explained in today's gold video, the Bitcoin is also the hostage of the problems on the stock market. As gold market, as the Bitcoin is just, well, considered as add-ons to major assets in the portfolio, which is bonds and equities. So all other stuff is just some kind of the add-on for enhancing on the returns of gold market that never were standing as a central part of the any portfolio. So now, on average, the amount in the portfolios of the gold stands somewhere around 6, maybe 10% in the current, and mostly just because of the recent hype. In general, it was even lower. What does it mean? It means that with the first signs of the problems and when the investors' equity positions start needed to be for a higher margin, some kind of the technical margin call appears on futures or leveraged positions on the stocks. Investors start selling other things in the portfolio to get cash and to fulfill the margin obligations, to keep stock positions intact. That's why performance on the Bitcoin, gold, quite different from the performance, say, Swiss franc. So you can see that Swiss franc right now stands in outstanding demand. It's just skyrocketed. On the gold market, we do not see it. It's because, although it is also, say, only because of this technical moment. And the same on the Bitcoin. But on the Bitcoin, also another thing is important. So if gold market is a commodity, Bitcoin is still the financial market. And here, the impact of the tariffs might also get hurt the Bitcoin market as well. So today we need only daily and intraday charts. What we have here. On last time we suggested, or just when we talked about different scenarios, on the daily chart we said, take a look, here's theoretical, it might be this scenario with this upward direction, but with the performance on the intraday charts, we see the very low chances that this will happen, just because of the way how market performs. And our target was to sell around 86, it's right there. By the rising volatility, market even slipped a bit even further, slightly higher, so to the 87.70, 88 area. But as a result, we've got the bearish grubber. This grubber suggests drop below these lows. Suggests that here down direction should continue. That leads us immediately to our idea of the butterfly pattern, right? So you can see that the top of the right being started really perfect. Market collapsed, and we now have the grubber on the top, suggesting that market should drop even more below these lows. So this stands, at least for now, in a row with the suggestion of the possible butterfly pattern. That's why we keep this scenario. And those of you who haven't taken position around 86, as we suggested right there, now you could get another chance. Since currently we have grubber in place already, we have the pattern. You could use just the most recent downside swing here and fib levels from it to consider possible position taking. So here we have two of them, 84.58 nearest level. Next is once again is 86 approximately. So with any retracement here, if you'd like to take short position against this top, or bet actually against the top of the butterfly, because this is real invalidation point of this pattern, you could consider these levels for another attempt to go short if you would like to. So currently in this performance, we are not considering taking any longs, mostly because, first of all, we do not have the corresponding background here for taking long position. Second, currently performance as a gold market, as a Bitcoin market, will totally depend on what will happen on the stocks. If stocks collapse more, then Bitcoin and gold also could follow and show deeper downside action, because more margin will be needed for the stockholders, and they will keep selling what they have in the pockets. So from that standpoint of view, I wouldn't, as I said in the gold report today, I wouldn't underestimate the importance of this recent sell-off. So it really might be continued. So that being said, for the bulls, I see nothing yet. For the bears, we have patient in place, and if you would like to, you could watch for these levels and think about the possible taking the short position here.